उड़ा रे गुलाल गुलाबी रंग केसरिया।
So namaskar. Today we will solve question number 11. So question is very interesting and the simplest thing is it is drawn already. If you look only the figure before reading anything, you know the figure is like this. You have an obtuse angle triangle whose one side 20 meter and the both angle this is 30 degree and this is 120 degree. So angle side angle, and you have to find the height, and this is, so in a triangle you may say here this is also, but in not a one right angle triangle, it is only triangle. These three informations, two angles and one side, and you have to find other things. So three informations. Yes, this includes two right angle triangle, and what is common? This is common for the both. This is one of the right angle triangle and this is another one of the right angle triangle, big one. One side is common, this is the common, and you will see the use of this common. So three informations. A TV tower stands vertically on the bank of a canal. So if this figure is not given, it's very hard sometimes to draw the figure. So imaginations and many practice and lot of practice of the questions are required to draw the figures of trigonometry. A TV tower stands vertically on the bank of a canal from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. Actually this is a river, and the river just off this side a tower is there. So just after the crossing the river they are measuring the, this is very important questions. We will make the height of the tower without touching it. First we will make the angle from a distance, and suppose it is a river, so it is 60 degree. Then we will move backward 20 meter, again we will measure the angle. Only two angles and one distance we can find the height of the tower without going towards it, without touching it. So this is interesting question. Angle of elevation from the another point 20 meter away from the point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Height of the tower, this height which is common also, and width of the canal, this is x. So you can say AB is right. AB is tower and BC is river, and let this is h meter and this is x. So in triangle ABC tan 60 degree is equal to h upon x. Tan 60 is equal to √3. So h is equal to x √3. So linear equation. Okay. Then come on in another triangle. Triangle ABD, right angle triangle. A, B and D. Tan 30 degree is equal to here. So the whole length h, and this one 20 plus x. This. So tan 30, 1 by √3. H by 20 plus x. So this is. So two variables, two equations, two unknown. So replace h is equal to here and then solve the value of x, just as we have done in question number 9. So substitute h is equal to x √3. 1 upon √3 is equal to x √3 divided by 20 plus x. This. So 20 plus x here, and this is 3x. So 20 plus x is equal to 3x. 2x is equal to this 20. So x is equal to 10 meter. And x is equal to 10 means width of the river is 10 meter, and height, substitute h is equal to 10 root 3. This one. So very fixed step, very easy questions. And then explain. Height of the tower is height of tower h is 10 root 3, and the width of river is 10 meter. Then your answer. So this was the question. I hope you have enjoyed. So thanks a lot. Keep watching.